The last feature on the font settings, it is text effects. You could click here and choose from the text fill and outline or text effects. I don't recommend to use from there. There are a number of ways to access that. You could access from here. You could of course search or open the panel. If you go to some sub-panels and click options, your format text effects will open, or you could simply search on Microsoft Search, text effects. There it is, format text effects. The panel will be open. And in the first section, of course, we have text fill, no fill. You can see solid color, which you could choose any color you want, and transparency, or choose gradient. Note that many features here are just not available for text. You could apply for many elements such as icons, shapes, etc. But briefly, I will show you there, and we're going deeply inside of graphic elements. Solid color, of course, you could choose the colors. We have theme colors and standard colors, and note that if you click on the more colors, the color picker dialog box will open. We have standards again, grayscale or monochromatic, and colors, and note that we have transparency. You could set the value by number here or just change the slider. And here we have the new color and the previous color. You could compare. On the color mode, we have two modes, RGB and HSL. If you're familiar with graphics basics, you know the color models or color modes. RGB stands for red, green, and blue. If I choose that, we have red channel, green, and blue. And we have the hexadecimal values there. Many graphic artists, web designers, application designers are familiar with these. I will explain that in the next video more deeply. And it is 8-bit between 0 to 255. Let's say 255, 0, and 0, which will make a pure red color. Again, we have access to transparency, and we have HSL, which stands for hue, saturation, and luminosity. Hue value, the color. Check it out here, maybe not so visible, so I will bring it here to be more visible. Alright. Saturation, more saturated color, or less saturated color. And of course, lightness, which you could change from here. This is slider, or luminosity from here. 0 value, it is pure black, and 255, it is pure white. I will explain in the next video why we choose this range, and hexadecimal values, which we call hex. So let's say we want to make a pure blue color. I could choose RGB, 0, 0, and 255. Okay.